Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax step by step. First, gather all necessary documents like your Form W-2 and any Form 1099 statements. Also, collect records for potential deductions, such as mortgage interest or student loan interest. Don't forget your Social Security number and copies of previous tax returns. Having everything organized upfront makes the entire process much smoother and helps prevent errors. Next, you need to decide on your filing method. You can choose to file electronically using tax software, which is often the quickest way to get your refund. Alternatively, you might prefer to mail a paper return or seek assistance from a professional tax preparer. Also, confirm your correct filing status, whether it's single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this impacts your tax liability. Now it's time to complete your tax return. Carefully enter all your income details from your collected forms onto the appropriate sections. Then, apply any eligible deductions and credits you qualify for. These can significantly reduce your taxable income and potentially increase your refund. Take your time and double-check every entry to ensure accuracy and avoid common mistakes. Finally, thoroughly review your entire tax return before submitting it. Look for any missed information or mathematical errors. If you're filing a paper return, remember to sign and date it in the designated areas. Make sure to submit your completed return by the official deadline to avoid any late filing penalties. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your income taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.